breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Now, this is about the point-blank short video that led to a massive controversy. Supreme Court has refused to entertain petitions against Himanta Biswa Sarma. The pleas have been dismissed and the petitioners have been pulled up. This is about the Mia Muslim remark, which reached the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court refused to entertain the petition. Supreme Court, in fact, asked the petitioners, why did they not approach the High Court first? Why undermine the High Court? Let's go across to our legal editor, Harish, who's getting us more details. So, the Supreme Court has not just dismissed these petitions, but has also pulled up the petitioners, asking why have they not approached the High Court?
Yes, that's right, Swati. In fact, the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice Surya Kant bench pulling up the petitioners, which included CPI, CPM, Ani Raja, Subhashini Ali, and some social activists, for directly rushing to Supreme Court with the petition and not going to High Court. They had sought an SIT probe and also FIR against Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma for his Mia Muslim remark, and also the image of point-blank shooting at the minority community. The Supreme Court said, we urge all parties, especially in poll-bound states, please have some mutual respect, sense of restraint. We can't demoralize the High Court. We won't allow anyone to undermine authority of High Court. This is nothing but forum shopping, because of some litigants, lawyers can afford to directly rush to Supreme Court. The Supreme Court also, Chief Justice said, has faith in High Court. Just because issue gets highlighted more, if you come to Supreme Court, greater media coverage, you are coming here. This is nothing but a forum shopping, and Supreme Court can't be made a playground like this. The Supreme Court very categorically saying that we will not undertake this petition. First, you have to go to High Court. Only then, if you don't get relief, you can come to Supreme Court. The only relief for the petitioners is that Supreme Court has asked High Court to grant the petitioners an expeditious hearing. But Supreme Court making very categorically clear that we cannot demoralize the High Court. We won't allow anyone to undermine the authority of High Court. Nothing but forum shopping, because some litigants and lawyers can afford to directly rush to Supreme Court. And Supreme Court Chief Justice also making it very clear that there has been a concerted effort to undermine the authority of the High Court.
All right, Harish, thank you very much for getting us all the details. So the Supreme Court has dismissed the petitions, asking the petitioners to approach the High Court, also asking why undermine the High Court. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. We have a lot more lined up on the other side.